Hey, what's up, guys? It's Corey here with Dapper Dollars, and today we're going to talk about what I'm designing for Q4. You ready? Let's get started. All right, now before we get into this, I really enjoyed getting to talk to y'all in the comments, and I so appreciate your questions and getting to know you guys. And if you could, just drop a like and subscribe before we get started. That really helps the channel. You know, a lot of YouTubers say it, but this is just something that really is the lifeblood for what helps this YouTube channel to exist and what encourages me to keep bringing the content. So if you could, just drop a like and subscribe below. That would really help out a lot. But anyway, let's get into the meat of this. So what are we actually going to do for Q4? Because this is the big season for merchers. I mean, you hear everyone talk about it. If you're new to merch, you're going to hear a whole lot of buzz about Q4 coming up. And what is it? Well, it's the months of October, November, and December. And these months are extreme gift buying times for people. And what do most people give as gifts? T-shirts. So you're in the right business. You're in the right place. You are in the field that is going to be the most utilized gifting thing out there. So you need to be prepared for whatever happens. And you need to have everything out there that you can so that anything you have has a possibility to sell. But where do you need to go? What do you need to do? What do you need to design for? Where are the people going to be looking to buying in the next few months, in these 3 months where people make most of their money? Well, a lot of people are going to tell you Christmas. A lot of people are going to tell you Thanksgiving. A lot of people are going to tell you, other holiday stuff. But if you know me, you know I like stuff that is year-round and stuff that is not just going to be seasonal. I do chase trends every now and then. I probably will put out a few Christmas shirts here and there, a few teachers things here and there. But I am all about awareness opportunities. And awareness opportunities are things like what's coming up in October, breast cancer awareness. Breast cancer awareness is probably one of the most hyped up awareness months of the year. So breast cancer month in October is what is going to be my main focus. I honestly design breast cancer shirts year round just for October. October is like my Christmas just a few months earlier. So look out for breast cancer. Get ready to start designing for that if you can. It is getting close to what would be a little late to the season. But what's happening in November? That is Pancreatic Cancer Awareness Month. Pancreatic cancer is another one of those things that really it's taken the lives of a lot of people, at least 2 people that I know personally. And so this is going to be one of those high traffic seasons for pancreatic cancer. If you get your designs up now in September and even into mid-October, you're going to have plenty of designs up ready for November so that you'll be able to capitalize on that opportunity and get to sell as many shirts as possible for pancreatic cancer, and then they'll hold that position throughout the year if you have a really good design, and you'll now have a shirt that sells year round and has that boost in November. So what else is there? Well, we've got diabetes awareness, and diabetes awareness, I believe, is December. December is diabetes awareness, and there's going to be a bit of a conflict between Christmas and diabetes awareness, but honestly, there's probably going to be some people who prioritize diabetes awareness because they will possibly lose someone to diabetes. Diabetes is a life-threatening issue if not managed. So what all these things have in common? Well, if you're a follower of this channel, you know that I go after these big niches that have the buying potential. And what makes these niches impactful? Well, they have everything that push people to sell. They have pain attached to it. People want to support friends and family. And then people have their own interest at heart and they want to help other people. These are all the 3 main things that people look for to make a buying decision. Most people, if they love their dog, they don't love their dog so much that they're just going to go out and randomly buy a shirt for their dog to tell people how much they love it. Some people do, but most people will spend money to avoid pain, help others, and to raise awareness. So these months are really where you can shine and have an opportunity to make a lot of money. Because if you look in the breast cancer awareness space, there's a ton of shirts out there, and there's a reason there's a ton of shirts out there. It's not just because people love this month. I mean, it should be loved. I mean, raising awareness for cancer that takes away a lot of our loved ones definitely needs to be supported. But the reason there's so many shirts out there is because there is so much buying potential. People are buying these shirts year round, and especially in October. So many women's marches happen during October. So that is why these cancer awareness and diabetes awareness months are really opportunities to solidify 1 or 2 designs that sell year round, and you might get 2 or 3 shirts a day that sell from these. Now, this is mainly my priority. I choose to go after these awareness spaces instead of holiday designs, because a lot of people preach holiday designs in the months of, November and December. But what I've found, I've been doing merch since about 2017, and I just never had that much luck with these holiday designs, because I found that people would buy the shirts and they would take pictures with the shirts, or they would do whatever, because I did a lot of family attire, so gingerbread house crew or Santa Claus crew or stuff like that, where again I had an opportunity to sell a bunch of shirts at once. But I found that come January, a lot of these shirts got returned, and that's just because people might like the design now, but they have no incentive to keep this shirt. Christmas only happens once a year, and it's really not that significant of a holiday for people to keep the shirt, whereas breast cancer awareness, you can wear that shirt year round, and no one's going to say, well, why are you wearing breast cancer awareness shirts in February? Well, I'm pretty sure they're supporting someone who has breast cancer. So there is a more retention potential for awareness designs. So what are you going to design for in October, November, December? Breast cancer awareness, Alzheimer's awareness, pancreatic cancer awareness, and diabetes awareness. I don't think I mentioned Alzheimer's, but anyway, that's one that is definitely out there. But anyway, that's what I'm going to be designing for in Q4. Let me know in the comments below what you're going to be designing for. If there are any special niches that you like, or if you think these are good ideas or not. Of course, I'm always open to feedback, and I love to get to know you guys. So please just drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you're planning on doing, or if you think this is a good idea at all. I'm going to do it regardless, because it's worked for me for the last 2 years, and I've continued to grow my income through designing for special occasions like this. But anyway, I know you're going to do great, and I know you're going to take on this Q4 with an intense ferocity, and I can't wait to see so many success stories from you guys. Remember, someone's going to do something great every day. Why not you? See ya.